have to think about one thing that we already discussed the thing that is the what do you mean by the diversity and in your class how can be diversity measured? Now, what does diversity add to our lives? We have to ask. Just like you have probably eaten different kinds of food in their home, celebrate different festivals in them, tried out the clothes they wear, and learned some of their languages as well. You probably like reading and hearing stories and adventures about different animals, people, and even ghosts. Perhaps you even enjoy making up stories yourself. Many young people feel happy when they read a good story because it gives them lots of ideas to make up more stories. People who write stories get their ideas from all sorts of different places, from books, real life, and from their imagination. Some may have lived in the forest close to animals and chosen to write to their fights and friendship. Others read real accounts of kings and queens and wrote stories about loves and honor. Some dipped into their own childhood memories of school and friends and wrote stories of adventure. Imagine if all the storytellers and writers that you have heard and read so far were forced to live in a place where all people were the same color, two colors, red and white, ate the same food, maybe potatoes, took care of the same two animals, for example, the deer and the cat, and to entertain themselves, played snakes and ladders. What kind of stories do you think they would write? That means that is the we are just facing the same thing. And all of you are very uniform. That is, one person is not different from the other person. Same environment, same food, same thing. Now the things that is the life becomes boring to you, na? So diversity is very much important in India. So diversity in India. India is a country of many diversity. We speak different language, have various types of food, celebrate different festivals, practice different religion. But actually, if you think about it, we do not we do many things that are similar, except that we do them in different ways. I already told you that just like the harvest festival, it is celebrated all over India, but in different name, different ways. But the things are same. That is the festivals. That is the harvest festival. How do you explain diversity? A little more than 200 years ago, or long before the train, aeroplane, bus, or car become a part of our lives, people travel from one part to the world to another in ships or horse or camel or on foot. Often they went in search of new lands, new places to settle in, or for took place so long to travel. Once they got to a place, people stayed there often for a long time. Many others left their homes because they were famines and drought, and they could not get enough to eat. Some went in search of work while others left because there was a war. Sometimes, as they began to make their homes in new places, people began to change a little. At the other times, they managed to do things the old ways. So their language, food, music, religion became a mix of the old and the new. And out of this intermixing of cultures came something new and different. The history of many places shows us how many different cultures influences have helped to shape the life and culture there. Thus, regions become very diverse because of their unique histories. Similarly, diversity also comes about when people adapt their lives to the geographical area in which they live. For example, living near the sea is quite different from living near a mountain area. Now, in the we already give the example. Now, maybe you are just why are tourism very interesting to you? Why are you go to the other places? Because tourism gives us the idea about the other people's life. Now, whenever maybe you are very fond of very mountain, so you will just go to the Sikkim and you just see there's a their mountainous life. You can see there. That is the how do the people live in the mountain? What are the problems they have to face there, or what are the facilities, or the what type of the scenic beauties are there? You just attracted by them. And also, whenever you just go to the pool, you just see there that is the totally different. It is the totally different places. Okay. So in this way, we can get the facilities. Okay. Uh,
Yes.